BlenderMarket was the largest community to buy Blender add-ons, courses, and models. 2 weeks ago, they rebranded the website and called it Superhive. Now, this is the best deal that you can see ever. You can buy all these add-ons, all these assets. As you can see, GeoScatter, Retubo Flow, and Santos Library, True Sky, Crowd, and Random Flow, Cable Rator, and Extreme PPR, Real Materials, Fluent, and all these helpful add-ons, which is a game-changing tool. And also these add-ons, which is fresh and new. You will get all these add-ons for only $30. I can tell you that this is the best deal and the best sale I have ever seen in the Blender community. They said that this deal will end in 8th of May, so don't miss the opportunity, don't miss that deal, and check the link below. And now leave a comment if you want to have a tutorial for any of these add-ons. I hope you like this tutorial. See you in the next video.